Yo, what's up guys? Today I just want to show you guys how to fix the connection problem or pairing issue with the Fitbit Blazed model. Because I have used the Fitbit Charge and it's very difficult to reset to get to solve the pairing issue. But this Blaze is pretty good, man, but it's very old model. But as you can see from my Blaze, it's on, but I always have the issue with the Android phone to pair it, but if I use the iPhone, there's no problem, man. So yeah, this clip it's like show you guys how to solve the Bluetooth connection between Fitbit and Android phone. So yeah, I always have these problems, but if you guys know how to fix it like permanently, just leave the link below. I will be very appreciated, man. But okay, let's get into it. So my way of fixing the issue, it's you need the watch band and then you just install it, because you need to press the button. I love this why I love the Fitbit Blaze, because it's very easy to take it off and charge and take it on when you finish the charging. So yeah, so you need to press all the three buttons like this, and it will turn on the light, yeah, like this, and it's resetting itself. And now we look at the phone again and try to connect it to see if it works. You see, yeah, it's like syncing now. So this way I can, but the problem is I have to do it like all the time in order to make it pair to the Android. So if you guys have any alternative solution, you guys can shout out or write a comment how to fix it. So anyways guys, so this is still my best Fitbit tracker, even if it's a little bit old. Yeah, so now it's working for flawless. So yeah, this is my way. So if you guys find it useful, you guys can like and subscribe if you can for the Fitbit gang. Yeah, so I will see you the next clip, man. Thank you for watching. Peace.